Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can connect your WhatsApp on your Google Chrome, or if you want to download WhatsApp app on your PC or on your laptop, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the WhatsApp here, and after writing the WhatsApp, we are going to write the WhatsApp and then press the enter. So as you can see, you will see the first site like this, WhatsApp. So you have to click on this. So as you can see, the official website of the WhatsApp is open. Now what we need to do, if you want to install this on your PC, so you have to click on the download button and the setup will be automatically installed. So you have to click on this, open Microsoft Store, and it will be opened in Microsoft Store automatically, and then you have to click on the install button. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the WhatsApp is open. Now it's already installed, so I'm getting the button of the open. So as you can see, it's open. I have already installed the WhatsApp, that's why I'm getting the button of the open. You will get the button of install, so you have to click on the install and the installation process will be started. And after the completion of installation, you just have to log in. So I'm going to cut this one. Now this was that how you can download and install this on your PC. If you want to run this on your Google Chrome, so you can also do that. So what you have to do, you have to click on this option. Here's the option WhatsApp web. So you have to click on this. After clicking on this, it will load, so you have to wait for a few seconds. Now you have to scroll this. So as you can see, use WhatsApp on your computer. You have to follow these steps. Open WhatsApp on your phone, and the second step is tap menu on Android or setting on iPhone. So and the third step is tap linked device. You have to click on the linked device and then link a device. Then you have to click on the link a device. And the fourth step is point your phone at this screen to capture the QR code. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to follow these steps, and after following these steps, you have to scan this QR code and your WhatsApp will be automatically connected with PC. So I hope you guys understand this video and how you can download and install WhatsApp on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.